Electronic cigarettes are the newest alternative to smoking. These battery-powered devices come in a variety of kits suitable for all smokers. With the average startup of about $50, e-cigs contain no tar, no chemicals, just nicotine. Though there has been an ongoing debate about the benefits and risks, e-cigs are likely safer than smoking tobacco. And regarding secondhand smoke,
you can literally take a hit of this, blow this in your kid's face, and they will have no side effects off of it. The reason why is because there's nothing in it. That's just water vapor.
Water vapor is the only thing being released into the air. However, some people are still uncomfortable with the idea of someone smoking what seems to be a typical cigarette just anywhere.
Obviously, there's a time and place for everything. If someone's, it's all about being having proper etiquette.
The UI has been asked to have a campus conversation this fall, and while the university doesn't have an opinion in stance at this time, Joan Troster, the Director of Human Resources, says that we're just trying to gain information from our campus, as well as trying to gain information from what becomes available.
The FDA has not yet approved the use of electronic cigarettes, and until they do, the university continues to discuss the use of electronic cigarettes here on campus. Morgan Bisker, Daily Iowan TV.